Be here for the next 3 days, and then after. Alright, so you saw the title of this video, and no, it is not clickbait. I am officially leaving Korea. I'm just going on a trip for the next 10 days. I'm gonna go be reunited with my mom and my brother together for the first time in 3 years. So I have not been with the two of them in 3 years, and I am just so excited to see them. It's like the perfect meeting point for us because it's only an 8-hour flight from Korea. It's currently the evening and my flight leaves tomorrow, but I technically have like 2 hours right now to pack. Also in this video, I'm gonna be sharing some of my opinions on why I think foreigners need to get out of Korea once a year. Keep watching if you wanna hear about that. I'm gonna go ahead and get my suitcase out and we can start packing. This is the luggage that I'm packing. This is my small suitcase. I actually brought this to Korea when I moved here, along with a big suitcase, but I love this. It's like the perfect size. Something about me is I am a shopper when I go on vacation. I know I live a pretty like minimalist lifestyle here in Korea. I don't really go shopping that much anymore. But I'm gonna try to pack fairly lightly for this trip. I noticed that when I go on vacation, I wear the same things over and over again. So I'm probably just gonna pack like 4 or 5 shirts. And if I need to, I can do laundry while I'm there because there is laundry in the place I'm staying. So let's get packing. I don't even know where to start. And I think I also have to do some laundry. So this should be interesting. Alright, hello everyone. So I'm finally at the airport. Oh my god, today feels like it's been 3 years long, and I'm so happy to be here. I feel like I'm gonna sleep like a baby on the flight just because I'm so tired. I'm gonna tell you guys about my day in a little bit, and I'm gonna talk about a topic that I've been wanting to touch on, but first I think we should cheers, just because today has been so long. Today was super long. I basically took a train to Seoul, and then I took about a 1-hour subway to here. What I wanted to talk about right now is basically the reason that I believe every foreigner needs to get out of Korea at least once a year. I kind of opened up a new discussion on Instagram today because I got a DM when I was on the train, and somebody said, oh my god, like, I want to move to Korea forever. And that kind of triggered me because I feel like a lot of people have this false idea of living abroad. And I'm not just going to say Korea, because this is not a Korea problem. This is a living abroad in social media problem. I think a lot of people think living abroad is this super beautiful, amazing thing, which it is, but there's also a lot of hardships that come along with it. It is in your best interest. If you're planning on moving here, don't say, I want to live here forever, and go in with the expectation that you're going to leave once a year, because you need to. I feel like once you've been here for like a year, you start itching to, at least me, I have started itching to be in a different culture or a different society for at least like a week. For example, right now I'm going to Hawaii for a week, and I know it's going to be so refreshing because living in Korea is just so different. Hello guys, I'm in Hawaii. Let me do my hula. I'm in Hawaii. I'm so happy. I got in at like 11 a.m. and I just had a nice slow afternoon. I was working on my computer, and then I finally checked into my Airbnb just now, so I'm going to show you around. It's just very small. It's exactly what I need. I'm going to be here for the next 3 days, and then after that my parents are coming to Hawaii, so I'm going to stay with them after. So this is just my little place for the next couple days. It's just, I don't know, it's very cute, and I love when Airbnb hosts have good taste, like the wine glasses. Yes, the little tapestry they have going on above the bed, and then this is the balcony. In my opinion, if you come to Hawaii, you gotta get a balcony, even if it's just like a city view. Something about sitting outside in the morning or after a long day. It's the other part of the room, very cute. And then the bathroom. Doo-doo. Okay, so I just got back from my little outing. It was so nice getting to see my brother. He has a kind of like a DJ thing he's helping out with tonight for an event, he told me, so we're not hanging out tonight. But honestly, I'm not upset about that because I am so excited to get caught up with but for dinner tonight, we are going to have some of my all-time favorite poke. Have you guys had poke before? If you haven't, this is a staple in the Hawaiian food diet. This is Typical Hawaii weather. It's clear on this side, and then all the way over there, it's nice and dark.